In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to group by bar chart in Tableau. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization, and being able to effectively group categories in a bar chart can help you better analyze and interpret your data. Today, we're going to focus on how to group your data using the bar chart feature in Tableau, a skill that can significantly enhance your data presentation and storytelling. First, open up your Tableau workspace and make sure your data is loaded. You want to have a clear idea of what your primary categories and subcategories are, as well as the specific measure you're interested in visualizing. This will help you organize your bar chart effectively. Now, start by dragging your primary category onto the column shelf. This step sets the stage for your data visualization as it defines the main grouping for your bar chart. Next, locate your subcategory in the data pane. You'll want to drag this subcategory and place it right next to the primary category, also on the column shelf. What this does is create a nested structure in your chart, allowing you to see each primary category broken down into its respective subcategories. With your categories in place, it's time to bring in the measure you're interested in analyzing. Go ahead and drag your measure to the row shelf. This action is crucial as it determines the height of the bars in your chart, reflecting the value of your measure for each subcategory within the primary category. Now, as you look at your Tableau workspace, you'll notice that a cluster of bars appears for each primary category. Each bar within the cluster represents a different subcategory, providing a detailed breakdown of your data. At this point, you should have a clear and organized bar chart in front of you. If you're looking to refine or make your visualization more insightful, consider using Tableau's formatting options. You can adjust colors, add labels, and modify axes to make your chart more readable and visually appealing. Grouping by bar chart is a powerful way to drill down into your data, allowing you to compare different subcategories within a primary category easily. Remember, the key to successful data visualization is clarity and precision. Make sure your labels are clear and your chart is not overcrowded with information. Less is often more, especially when you want your audience to quickly grasp the insights from the data. That's it. You've successfully created a grouped bar chart in Tableau. With these steps, you can now explore and present your data in a more organized and insightful manner. Practice this technique with different data sets to become more proficient and comfortable with Tableau's powerful visualization capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.